So it's time to build your first folio. Let me help you get started. So as we've identified, the project is where all of the folios live. So in this instance, if I wanted to create a new folio underneath this project, all I would go to is create and create folio. Here you'll be prompted to type in the name of the folio, like event name here, and choose the project that it goes to. So in this instance, we're adding this to the folio launch project. Once you're created, you'll be taken into the Folio interface and directed to the Kanban view. Now, this is where you think about your architecture. So if I want to do a know before you go folder here, and then the first date of my program, which let's say it's today, I'm going to start to build out these logistics this way. Each list can be a different area of the event. So whether that be the day-by-day production or the know before you go or floor plans or anything that you want to add into its own scalable list, this is how we're using these pillars. And underneath those lists, we're adding items that can be a multitude of things. So if 6 a.m. We have setup starting, we can make that item set up here, and then we're just building out the details underneath of it. So I'm going to start by adding the details here, which includes the location, the area, the start time, the end time, and so forth. We are then going to be able to add pricing information. Then if we wanted to add a checklist of reminders, we have that there, a photo for this, and then assigning some members so that we can dictate to our team who is responsible for this item itself. Now, keep in mind, this can be as broad or as granular as we want it to be. So just think about the architecture of your folio as you are starting to construct that. We'll get some examples as we start to develop these tutorials, but hopefully this gets you a good start on how to build your folio.